I'm Susan. I am so excited to once again be participating in another challenge. This one is hosted by Sandra of the Schwollen's Nest and Catherine of A Perfect Place to Start. These ladies are so talented, and I am so proud to be a part of this challenge. Please check out these ladies' channels. It will be listed in the description box down below, as well as the playlist. I am using these 4 small canvases I got at Dollar Tree. I laid them out to get an idea of the size it would be for all 4 of them together. And I used this Waverly chalk paint in Ocean, and I added just the smallest amount of black to kind of make it like a darker sky blue. A night sky, that is. And once I got my paint mixed, I just brushed all 4 canvases plus the sides with the paint. Once they were dry, I just went through looking for pattern paper that I liked. And so I just pulled out the ones that I thought would look good for what I had in mind. I had an idea of what I wanted to do. So first of all, I used the gray, I don't know what you would call this paper, but it was real pretty, maybe a paisley type, and I cut out a moon. With the black, I cut out what would be a tree, and I must have cut my camera off, but you didn't miss much. I just drew it out on the back of the paper and just tried to figure out where I was going to put my limbs and such. And I arranged it onto the canvases and split it where the split was naturally on the canvases, because I'm going to make it, it's like a whole picture, but it's going to be split apart. And now I'm going to draw out some pumpkins. And I just did the oval with the 2 half ovals. And then I cut them out and I cut out the half ovals apart too. I split it all up. Once I got my first pumpkin cut out, I decided to draw a cat, and so I could get an idea of where to place everything, and I just did the outline of a kitty cat. And then I placed it where I wanted it. And then I took some different paper to make more pumpkins. And I wanted a little short one. So I made me a pumpkin that was short and squatty. And then I did another tall one with this pretty green paper. And once I had an idea of where I wanted everything, I took it off and just used my tape roller and taped the pieces down. Once I had them taped down, I just went over everything with Mod Podge. And when I finished, I just let it dry. And now that it's dry, I wanted to embellish. And I used this green wire to make tendrils, or what Kiki calls springy thingies. Then I used these little wooden leaves I got last year from Dollar Tree. I used the cinnamon sticks for the pumpkin stem. Once I decided where I wanted everything, I just hot glued all of this down. I added a little bit of green moss underneath my kitty cat. I had these fake eyelashes, they were doll eyelashes, and I just clipped them into two little sections and made bats for the moon. I wanted to make an owl for my tree, but I couldn't do it. I tried to make it with wire, I tried to draw it out, but it just didn't look right, so I just gave up on that. When I added the eyes though and removed the wire, I liked how the eyes looked, so I just put a couple of pairs of googly eyes there. And here's my finished project. I think it's cute. I like how it turned out. It's got that spooky feel. It's a spooky fall feel without being over the top Halloween. I love my pumpkins. I love my kitty cat. I'm really pleased with it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell. Leave me a comment and tell me what you think. Share it. None of this costs you anything, and it sure helps my channel to grow. Thank you, Sandra and Catherine, for hosting this challenge. I really appreciate it, and I encourage everyone to go check out their channels as well as the playlist. And until next time, bye.